Hi guys, for today's video, so today nagbabalik na naman tayo sa Granny Chapter 2. So let's go guys, let's play. So we're challenged for today is extreme mode. So yeah, extreme mode takaroon and medium. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's play. Extreme mode takaroon dalawa guys, let's go. Okay, nagbabalik na naman tayo sa Granny 2. Okay, extreme mode guys. Let's go. Okay. Another challenge na punta. Okay, let's go. Wait lang kayo na. Ito sensitivity. Ay, okay, pasto na lang. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's play. Gani, gwanta. Wait lang ha. Okay. Excited na bikin. Wait. Wait, okay, excited na bikin sila. Okay, pasta ka na ron. Muastag ka ng ano ron. Hindi ka na naputag ikog. O, diba? Ah! Short lang! Short lang! Short lang! Short lang! Ah! Yun lang! Oh my god. Bago pa to ha. Bago. Okay, bago pa to. Okay. Bago pa man to, Granny. Okay. Yan na to sensitivity guys. Ano na to. Okay, pause ko na to. Okay. Let's go. Like, oh my god. Basta di kumukuan guys. Okay. Nasabay siyang duha? Nasabay sila guys. Wait lang ha. I'm not ready. Di pa ko ready. Wait lang. Oh my god, okay. Wait lang mo guys. Okay, we'll go back. Okay, let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Atay na ron! Wait lang. Okay, very faster kasi sila kasi extreme mode mango. Tanawa, oh. Tanawa si Granny. Masig tikin na puto ikog no. Masig tikin na kontihan. Tanawa. Ah, paspas. Di ba paspas kayo? Awa. Paspas kayo guys. Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! I-maintain na lang jud ta mamatay ani nga challenge. Oh my god. I-maintain jud ko mamatay ani nga challenge guys. Like, oh my god. Wait. Wait lang. Pahina na ito si sensitivity. Ano lang. So, mag-liso jud ko sa sensitivity. Ay, mag-libo jud ko sa sensitivity. Oh my god. This top here. Weird. Shush. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait lang ha. Gun pass here. Okay, gun pass here. Ah! Basta beri ha. Ma! Wait. Pagkabasta ko. Mamatay ko. Nya pag sabi ron. Okay, mamatay ang jabat tadi guys. Oh, nilingin na si Granny. Let's go. No. Ah! No. Ah! Please no. Oh my god. Ay! 3, 2, 1. Go! Oh my god. Okay, day 4. Okay, day 4 na guys. Nakayawan juga to Granny ha. Okay, let's go. God, it's a very fast. Ah! Na-trap pa, jud ko. Na-trap ko, guys. Na-trap ko, guys! Wait. Wait lang, ha? Wait lang, ha? Tanawal, iba, tanawal ko. Naas ni ground. Okay, last na ni guys. Last na ni guys. Okay, last din na ni day 5. Okay, let's go. Okay, di naman ako pati nga kung dali guys kayo. Dali kita mamatay. Pero ang batak mo. Dali ba itong mamatay dali aro? Pero dapat. Tanawal ka! Ano ba kung naging yun bago pa? Okay, so yeah. I think this is the end of the video guys. So yeah. Please enjoy this video. So yeah, bye guys.